Do you look at the world sometimes and think that it's just hopeless? Do you wish that you could make a difference, but then you wonder, can I even make a difference at all? Hello, I'm Clarence, I'm the preacher, and I'm here to tell you we can make a difference. Now, I have good news and bad news, of course. The good news is absolutely, we can work together and we can make a difference in the world. The bad news is that the change we make will not be just phenomenal headline news making kind of a change. What we're going to make is small changes, one heart at a time, one baby step at a time, and in those, if we consistently do them, we will make some pretty phenomenal change over time. The suggestion I have in this video is just practice kindness. Practice kindness to absolutely everyone you meet. Don't judge them, just simply be kind to them. After all, God sends the sun and the rain on both the good and the bad, according to Christ in the Sermon on the Mount. So we're going to let the sunshine of our kindness shine on everybody, no matter what their situation in life. We're going to make it our mission simply to be kind. Now, this is just a baby step. It's not going to change the world overnight, I'll guarantee you that. But there are a couple of magical things that happen here. Number one, when you show kindness to someone, you literally reach into their heart and turn up their joy just a little bit, and that's pretty amazing. The second magical thing that happens is that when you truly give kindness to someone, you always feel better about yourself. Well, who doesn't want to feel better about themselves? If you want to feel better about life, then one of the things you can do is go out and just be kind to everyone you meet. And as you show that kindness to other people, you will find yourself feeling better too. So, can we make a difference? Sure. Will it be phenomenal? No. It'll be one small little step at a time. It'll be one little video like this at a time, one little share, one little comment, just one little whatever. But when enough of us start doing it, then we start to make a real difference. Hey, put your comments below. Share this video with other folks if you'd like. And as always, I hope you have a great day.